In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on company notifications on Glassdoor. If you want to stay on top of job postings, company updates, and recommendations without constantly checking the site, setting up notifications is the way to go. Start by opening Glassdoor in your web browser or the mobile app and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct profile, so your preferences are saved where you expect. On mobile, if you're prompted to allow push notifications, go ahead and enable them so you can receive alerts on your device as they happen. Once you're signed in, open your profile menu. On desktop, you'll usually find your profile icon in the top right corner. Click it to open the menu. On the mobile app, your profile icon may appear in the bottom navigation or at the top of the screen. From that menu, select Notification. If you don't see it right away, it may be under Settings, then Notifications, depending on your device and app version. In the notification section, choose the types of alerts you want to receive. You can typically turn on notifications for job postings, company updates, and recommended jobs. Think about what matters most to you. If you're actively job searching, turning on job postings and recommendations can help you catch new listings fast. If you're monitoring a few employers, company updates can keep you informed about news, reviews, or changes. Some accounts let you pick how you receive alerts: email, mobile push, or both, so select what fits your workflow. If there's an option to choose frequency, such as instant or daily, pick what keeps you informed without overwhelming you. Next, enable company notifications specifically. Look for options labeled Followed Companies or Company Alerts, and toggle them on. This ensures that any activity related to companies you already follow will trigger an alert. If you already follow a set of companies, this is where those updates will start coming through as soon as they happen. Quick note, I've placed a link to the Glassdoor website, along with the official download links for iOS and Android, right at the top of the description. Use those to get to the exact pages and apps quickly and securely. Finally, save your settings. On desktop, look for a Save or Apply button and click it to confirm your choices. On some mobile versions, changes may save automatically, but if you see a Save or Done option, tap it to be sure. That's it. You'll now receive notifications from companies on Glassdoor so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching.